Alright, so it's already cooked. It was already boiled and now it's tender. So I'm going to put some sauce. My marinara. Actually, it's not marinara. Tomato sauce with Italian seasoning, with A1 sauce. Yan, with A1 sauce. And of course, teriyaki sauce. And Hans tomato ketchup. Ayun. Maliban sa tomato sauce. Now it's ready to be air fried. Ilalagay ko na sa air fryer. Okay, it's now being air fried. Alright, so now it's cooked. See? That's my roast pork. Ayan. Looks good. Ayun, yan na yung aking roast pork. Air fried pork actually. Oh, diba? Sarap. And of course, I had cooked my pasta also. Ayun, with ground beef and some mixed veggies. And of course, with some cheddar cheese. Yun na. Sarap po. Ooh. Malinom-nom. I can eat also before going to work. Para at least mataste ko man lang yung niluto ko. Yung roast pork ko, air fried pork ko. Pinatikman ko yung dalawang anak ko. Si Blessings at si Babos. Oh, yan. Busog na busog. Ito naman yung isa. Diba? Ganyan pag busog. Hindi na gutom. Pag gutom kasi maingay. Maingay sila. Oh. Hey, Blessings.